Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can turn off your active status on Facebook, and it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you open your Facebook and then you click on the menu icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're in the menu page of Facebook, you can see the setting icon at the top right corner of your screen right beside the search icon. Click on the menu icon and it's going to bring you to the setting page of your Facebook. Now once you're in the setting page of Facebook, scroll a bit down until you see this option called active status. So it's going to be right above your activities. Click on active status and it's going to show you this button. Now remember to read the thing which is written over here at the bottom. Your friends and connection can see when you're active or recently active on this profile. So if this is turned on, that means other people will know if you're online or not. And if you turn it off and click on turn off, now people will not know when you were online last or if you're currently online or not. So if you want to keep your activity status hidden, then make sure to turn it off. But if you want people to know if you're active or not, just turn it on and other people will know when you're active or if you're active or not, or when you were last active on Facebook. That is basically what turning off activity status on and off on Facebook does. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for more Facebook related videos just like this in the future. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.